yun. Katero ni Blandina. Ay, ang cute. Mga pampa-beauty. Lawit daylight. You like that? Sige, bilhin ko yan.
Ay, ang ganda yan.
Sino si Ate Anas? There are like gift ideas, oh, diba? You have the plushies for $5. Ano pa? Oh, you have speakers, little knickknacks for gift ideas and stuff. See, fantastic gift ideas, like things like this. These headphones for $5 for kids. Pretty good. Look how cute that is. Cutie. It says no stupid people beyond this point. Pwede rin yan for gifts. These are punch out socks that somebody already punched out. This is a good gift idea. I actually love socks.
We've got store safety
How
cover,
cute.
so you can let go and
They also have this blanket. Mandalorian. Babe, ang cute though. They also sell masks. Look. $3. My headphones nila. I don't know if it's any good, but hey, it's $5. $5, babes. They have mouse for $5. Come on. Ganda yan. Some of them are like higher than $5, like that one's $8, but it'll tell you. Adjustable wall mount for taking selfies. Ay, ganyan pa. Hi guys, we're back.
Hi guys, hindi pa kayo naliligo guys.
Halata naman. Kain na tayo guys. This looks like more than 15, doesn't it? Kain tayo guys. Baon. Natakot ako sa baonan ni Julie. Just ko, no? The cookies. I only brought some of well, I brought the ones that I made and then some that I didn't make, which is like this. I don't think I made this. This is Nicole. This one. And yeah, some of them I didn't make, but that looks good on you, baby. Ganda, babes. M for
Early the next morning.
I'm making DIY gifts. I have my aunt, the other house, Iris. These are some of the things that I made for my family. They're just like DIY things. I think they're super cute. She got peach Bellini in her box. And then I got her two adult masks. Basically, it's just gold. It's got their last name in it. And then it says Farm Fresh Christmas trees. I want to show y'all a different color. So I did one for Iris. And it's black. And it's got their last name in it. And yeah. Hi, babes. What is this? What is this?
What are you?
You got me a tripod? Where did you get this? So nice.
Trash.
Basurero ka talaga. But I like it. Thank you. To Trisha. If you see your gift, no you didn't. It's my favorite movie ever! Thanks, babes.
Gawin mo yung parang sa TikTok, yung travel, chorba-chorba.
Ano naman yan?
Yung gumaganon ka, oh. Gumaganon. Tapos yung next clip naman. Basta yung, hindi ganyan, COVID.
So yesterday I thought I was done with packing up stuff, and then Yuli said, oh, why don't you make some for my friends? So I was like, okay, well, I can do that. But I still need to customize that, and like 5 more. So I'm gonna get to that because look at all of that mess. This is what I got from the Dollar Tree. Cute one. I made more Christmas cookies because the first batch was disgusting.